Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to check if a string is empty in Python. So without further wasting time, let's get started. So as per the PEP 8, that is Python's recommendation of programming interface, it is generalized that an empty sequence is equal to a false Boolean value. So what we'll try to do is, we will try to create a condition, and if that condition terminates as false, then in accordance to the data structure, the string will be empty. So let's see how to do that. So what I've done is, I've created a variable test of comprising of an empty string, and what I'm going to do is, I'm going to create a condition using if statement, and what I'll say is, if not test, which means we are trying to say that if test returns false, then we will print string is empty. And since the PEP 8 is designed in such a way that empty sequences return a false statement, this line will terminate to false, and hence we'll go inside the if condition and print this statement. And else we will also print another statement saying that, let me just quickly copy down from here and paste it here, saying that string is not empty, and that works pretty good. And if I run it, as you can see, the false statement terminated inside the if condition, and we went inside the if condition saying that string is empty. Likewise, if I try to fill certain data, let's just write some random test data, and if I run that, now it says string is not empty. So this is really simple. Apart from this, we have the most common method of even checking that a string is empty or not, by just saying that, calling the test, that is the string variable name, and equating it to an empty string. And by doing that, we can also check if a string is empty. It works absolutely same. So as there was data present inside the string, it said that the string is not empty, and if I just erase the data and run it, it will return a print statement saying that string is empty. So it's as simple as this. We have two common methods that we can employ, but the first method that I explained to you all is a more preferred method, since it is recommended by the PEP 8 recommendations. So that's it from this quick video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the Akinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.